Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to Monzo in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid through PayPal or just managing your finances across platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and hassle-free. By 2025, with advancements in digital banking, transfers might be even faster and more secure, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both PayPal and Monzo. If you haven't linked them yet, that's step 1. Log into your PayPal account on your phone or computer. You'll see your dashboard. Head over to the Wallet section where all your funds are managed. Next, look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. In 2025, PayPal might have direct integration with banks like Monzo, thanks to updated APIs and partnerships, so select Monzo from your list of linked banks. If it's not linked, you'll need to add it. Just click on Link a Bank and follow the prompts. Usually, this involves verifying your bank details or using Monzo's app to authorize the connection. Once linked, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. PayPal will show you the estimated transfer time. By 2025, this could be instant for most users in the UK, thanks to real-time payment systems. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a notification once it's done. Now, on the Monzo side, keep an eye on your app. The funds should appear in your account quickly. Remember, there might be small fees involved, so always check the details up front to avoid surprises. If you run into any issues, both PayPal and Monzo have excellent customer support chatbots by now. That's it, you've successfully transferred money from PayPal to Monzo. This method keeps your finances flexible and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.